Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My old subscribers, thanks for your support, and my new subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and make sure you turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do cross braid, as in the threading braid. So please pay attention and watch from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss any step of doing this braid. This one I section aside is for my baby hair. So guys, if you wish, you can keep some for the baby hair, and if you don't want, you can go ahead and you begin to do the lovely braid. So first thing, you achieve this hair on a clean hair, as you can see. Then you begin to section the hair. You section it into two. If you want the braid to be full, then you section it equal parts. And if you just want the small braid, then that means the front one is more than the back one. Like you can see what I'm doing here, guys. This back is smaller while the front is bigger, and this is how the sectioning is looking like. So after that, you go ahead and you begin to do the back one by doing it individual braid. You can achieve it with a box braid or just round cutting. As you can see, this one I'm doing is just round cutting, and you begin to do the braid individual. So after, when you are done with the braid, we'll go ahead and we begin to do the cross parts. As you can see, make sure the braid is neat and is not too tight. Just make sure you hold it firm. Can you see, guys? That's how you keep going, and we're done with the braid. So we are moving on to the crossing aspect. So please guys, stay tuned and watch from the beginning to the end so that you will understand what I'm doing here. So first thing, you section the hair into two, as in when you get to the front aspect, you section it into two equal parts. Then you begin to, if you want to give it any pattern, this particular one I'm just doing Ghana cornrow just to beautify the crossing braid. Can you see what I'm doing? So I'm just putting the Ghana braid, as in the Ghana cornrow, inside the cross braiding. Can you see, guys? Hold it firm. So now I'm done with the Ghana aspect. Then you section one big one, you divide it into two equal parts. Make sure it's very equal. Can you see? So when you're done with the sectioning, you begin to use box method to section it. And if the first one is 4, if you divide the first one into 4 or 5, that means you are dividing the other side 5. Just make sure they are equal parts. So after, when you are done with the sectioning, you go ahead and you begin to use your rubber band, as in the black one, just to secure it. Can you see? So when you're done securing it with the rubber band, you use your echo gel to smooth the tips and to make it look very smooth. Then after that, you begin the crossing aspects. You take from your left to your right and from your right to your left. Please pay attention and watch what I'm doing here, guys. It's very easy to achieve, only if you can watch from the beginning to the end. Can you see, guys? Please let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this hairstyle, and if you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, please let me know in the comment section. So I'm almost done with this lovely hairstyle. Can you see, guys? Just pay attention. So you use the rubber band, as in the Koko one, the black one, to hold it, just to secure it from the roots. Can you see? Don't make it too tight. Then you add your echo gel to the tip to make it smooth. After that, you go ahead and you begin to do the crossing aspect. You take from your right to the left and you cross it from the left to the right. Can you see, guys? That is how you keep going. Please, I will leave the tools in the box below for you guys to see the tools that I use. Can you see? You cross from the left to the right and from the right to the left. And that's all about this hairstyle, guys. I'm done. Then you go ahead and you begin to braid the tips. The last one, you braid it with your attachment or your extension. You can use any color of your choice. Then you braid it very well. After the braiding, you go ahead and you trim it. Then when you are done with the trimming, you control the edges, you apply your mousse, your washing, and that's all. That's the final look of the crisscrossing braid. Can you see, guys? Please let me know in the comment section if the video is helpful, and please don't forget to share to your loved ones. Can you see, guys? As you all know, sharing is part of caring. So guys, share to your loved ones. And that's the final look of the braid. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate every one of you here, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Please let me know if you have any else style. Bye bye. I love you all.